Good afternoon, mister.
Girl.
We're going to do some grocery shopping. We're going to Aldi and Tesco. Don't be jealous, monkey.
It was hoovered out.
He's asking me why there's a big
It was hoovered out,
footmark.
didn't know.
Huh?
Because it was hoovered out when I took it for the thing.
Well, they obviously did not hover
They
properly.
did, because it was clean. I remember seeing a box of tissues and was ending up there. Serious. No, but it's cold in here.
Ready?
No, passenger's not ready. No, I'm ready.
You need to tell them that
I'm
we're
scared.
officially 5 years together.
Who's officially? Officially, it's when she had the dagger. What? Mind my car.
And you, shh.
What's
You know,
this?
you make me nervous if you keep talking, sweetheart. So we're going to Aldi
There's a
first,
few in
and
the-
then we go to the fuel station, and then Tesco.
You don't like?
Yeah.
What is it?
That's it. We're in Aldi.
We're not.
Well,
We're in the car.
stop it.
She exaggerates all the time, see? We might be in Aldi car park in the car, but we're not.
Your pimples.
There?
Hmm.
I know. How big is it now? Is it really bad?
How's your eyes? Let me have a look.
Beautiful. You're handsome.
Okay, let's go now.
See, I get the dirty job.
Yeah, I don't like the smell of that.
Well, this is electric car. I'm putting electric in it.
Busy yung Tesco at kanina sa Aldi hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi sobrang busy, medyo nahiya ako. Yung reduce section ng Tesco, meron silang kettle dito pero ayaw ni John. May mga mini eggs na sila, oh. Milky Bar, Smarties.
What else is it? Pizza?
Pizza.
So we can make our homemade pizza, yeah?
Mm.
You like 4 cheeses?
Yeah, I like the 4 cheese. So strong.
Oh! Frightening.
Tatlong bag ngayon kasi pumunta nga. Come, honey, help me. That's heavy.
That's my new clothes. I need to wash them. I only worn them once. Look at this colour of them.
Ouch.
I thought it was heavy.
It's heavy. It's very heavy.
Press the button to close the boot.
You need to close the boat manually.
Manual.
Manual. So sort out ko lang tong mga grocery natin and then ewan ko kung anong kaganapan ngayon. Kumuha ako ng leaflet sa Aldi at tingnan nyo to. Sobrang cute. Let's avocado. Hindi ko to nakita sa store. Baka online pwede siyang orderin. Hey! Hey! No, 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 no! Hello, girls! Hindi ko siya naubos. Yan. So, kakainin ko siya tomorrow. Sayang kasi kung itapon. si Jan. Nandoon sa dog kennel. There. Yung family ko, hindi na talaga sila nakabalik sa akin. Kausap ko sa kanina, mga 5 minutes lang. Then tapos nag-end yung call. And wala na. Nawala siguro yung signal. Ano yung pinapanood ni Mr.? What are you watching, sweetheart?
Guys, thank you for that
Macloed.
reception.
Ah,
That's something.
right, We need to check.
Oh my days.
Okay. We need to check our Maha Blanca. Gumawa ako ng Maha Blanca. Mapapanood niyo yung vlog ko. Mauuna yung vlog na gumawa ako ng Maha Blanca. Nandito siya. Dito ko siya nilagay kasi sa floor kasi malamig. So, para mas madaling lumamig, nilagay ko dito. Ay. Parang hindi man siya thick. Uy. Sagi pa din. Ewan ko ba. Hala, nabiblink yung camera ko. Papasensya niyo na. Huwag sana kayo malubat. Not now. Here. Ito yung Maha Blanca ko. Pero, feeling ko talaga, hindi siya solid. Try natin. We need to try. Nakakainis kasi nalubat kayo. Anyway, try natin. Hindi ko pa siya nalagay sa fridge. Kasi nga, pinapalamig ko pa. Pero, hindi talaga siya as in solid. Medyo may pagkarani pa siya. It is good. Do you think, if ilalagay ko siya sa fridge, yung ating Maha Blanca magiging more solid siya? Kasi hindi mo talaga siya makakat kasi yung gitna, ano talaga? Parang sobrang running niya. I don't know. Pero in fairness, masarap. Tama na yan. Lalagyan natin ng cling film. Ilalagay natin sa fridge. Well, I don't know, honey, what I have done again. It's not solid.
And you wrecked it. Tastes like gum. Why's it got snow on it? Oh, I don't know.
It's not solid. I don't know if it will
Put it in the fridge.
make a difference if I put that in the
Of
fridge.
course it will.
Mmm.
It's like when I put something in the fridge, it goes hard.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So, let's see tomorrow. So, I will say good night now mga palangga kasi matutulog na kami kasi yung time dito is 25 minutes past 10 in the evening. So, it's bedtime.
20 past 10 in the evening. Soon be 20 past 10 in the morning. It's time to sleep. That's it. I've let the guard dogs out. So they're pacing up and down now, checking for unwanted people. Right. The alarm's on, the cameras are on. I've got my weapon. It's very good this, watch.
Honey,
Makes it go off.
why it's so dark?
The light is on.
Good morning.
I've been eating the carrots I could see in the dark.
I want to check the Maha Blanca.
What are you having for breakfast? Pizza?
No. I just want to check the Maha Blanca to see if it is set. Kakagising ko lang talaga. Oh! Grabe itong buhok ko. Buhaghag. Sorry. Ay, hindi siya set.
Oh.
It's not set, sweetheart. I'll show you what I mean. Because you cannot slice. It's still saggy.
Giving you a message.
Giving a message of what?
Don't make it.
Don't make it, yeah.
Yes.
No, Maha Blanca is solid. You can cut it in the middle. Let's see. Let's try.
Good work. I don't know why she's made so much for such a little person. No wonder she's like.
I cannot see you. You need to calm down. No, it's not set.
You've obviously not done the right recipe.
I really did follow everything.
Yeah, hopefully.
It's not set. It's still soggy. Ah, what I have done.
Say it every time. I'm telling you, don't make me. I can't do it.
Oh no!
But very good.
It's so annoying.
Very good.
You see that? It's not set. You okay?
Very good.
I just don't know. I just don't know. What went wrong? Ito yung problema ng ate ko. Hindi talaga siya nag-set. Nung ginawa ko to first time, ganito din. At akala ko this time, the second time, I'm so confident na magiging okay siya, pero wala. Still the same no first time. Hindi siya nag-set. Please comment down below mga palangga, what went wrong, what I have done wrong. Ang hindi ko pinalo na recipe kay Panlasang Pinoy is yung paglagay ng sugar. Kasi ang hinihingi niya doon is 3/4 of sugar. Yung nilagay ko lang ng sugar is half of cup of sugar. Pero I don't think so it will cause a problem. Sobrang sarap niya, pero hindi nga set. Nakain muna ako ng breakfast. Hello! Aalis tayo ulit mga loves. Pupunta ako ng surgery, yung clinic nila dito. Magpapaalam muna ako kay Mr. Nasa workshop si Mr. Oh, malamig ngayon ha. Honey, I'm going! Where are you? Oh, alright then. Bye-bye. See you later. Yeah. Bye! I will. Bye-bye. May araw ngayon, pero malamig yung hangin. It's not helping. Meron na tayong mat sa ating sasakyan. Yung clinic na pupuntahan ko, meron silang post office doon. So hopefully lang nakabukas pa kasi meron din akong ipopost ngayon. Sobrang sunny ngayon. Kailangan kong mag sunglasses kasi alam nyo naman yung sun visor ko, it's not helping talaga. Ayaw ko pa namang mag sunglasses. I'm not used to it. Ignorante. Oh, 'di ba? Parang madam. Feeling ko kasi yung sunglasses ko malaki sa akin. Nahuhulog siya. Nahuhulog siya sa ilong ko. Nandito na ako. At least yung clinic hindi busy. Kasi minsan talaga dito pahirapan ang parking. Anyway, iwan ko kayo muna mga loves. I'm here. I'm back. So that's it. Yung tea natin ngayon is meat and potato pie. Hindi ko na vinlog kasi para mas madali. Ang init. Masarap. Gumawa na ako ng pastry. Kailangan ko lang itong palamigin. So, as usual, ilalagay ko siya sa sahig. Kailangan ko lang siyang takpan. Nilalagay ko siya sa sahig kasi malamig yung floor. Kaya, ayun. Ilalagay natin dyan. Tatakpan ko lang. Kukuha tayo ng paper towel. Paper towel is not the best idea. Kuha tayo ng plato. Then tapos, yan. Yan na. Hihintayin na lang natin na lumamig siya. Then tapos ilalagay natin yung ating pastry. Parang expert ba? Oh! Tingnan natin. Perfect. Papahiran ko lang siya ng itlog. And there you go. It's ready to go. Yan oh. It's looking good. Ito yung before. Yan. Pasensyahan nyo na. May mga patches dyan. I-check natin yung ating pie. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. It's looking good, but I don't think it's cooked. No, it's not cooked yet. Give it another well, it's only 3 minutes left now. And I put it 25 minutes. So, mga 6 minutes. That should be ready. Kailangan na natin i-mash yung ating potato. More potatoes. Para sa ating mash, kailangan natin ng butter. Oy, hindi siya nag-focus. Come on, focus. So, butter. Hala. Uy, focus, uy! So, unsalted butter and lalagyan natin ng kaunting mozzarella. I'll give you a shout when it's ready. Ilalagyan natin ng warm milk yung nilalagay ko. Kukunin na natin yung skin ng milk. And tapos, lalagyan natin ng mozzarella. Nakita ko to sa isang video, it's a mukbang video, at nung mashed potato siya, nilagyan niya ng mozzarella and it looks so creamy. Oh, that looks good. I-check ko lang siya kung luto na ba talaga siya yung pastry. Kung hindi siya sagi sa bottom. Yeah. I think luto na siya. Yeah. Oh, kailangan ko pang mag-picture. Ito yung after. Yan. It looks good, diba? Yan yung prinik ko. Just to check na it's cooked. Honey! It's ready!
Is this meat and tatty pie? Everything is off.
Everything is off. Mister's plate.
See him on a diet.
My plate.
Let's do one, Jeffrey.
Nainis ako sa ate ko mga palangga kasi pinagtawanan niya ako. Kausap ko siya kanina and sinabi ko sa kanya na yung Maha Blanca hindi nag-set. Pinagtawanan niya ako kasi sobrang confident ko pa daw nung sinabi ko na na-perfect yung Maha Blanca. Yung Maha kasi, sobrang soft niya. Hindi siya runny, pero soft siya. Hindi siya nag-set. So, ano kaya yung problema? Lanay siya ba? Ano bang Tagalog sa lanay? Basta kung sa Bisaya, lanay yung aking Maha Blanca. Soft ba? Yung ating Maha mukhang lugaw. Gagawa lang ako ng inumin. Cranberry and tapos orange juice. Minimix ko sila. Makikita niyo. So, konting cranberry and konting orange juice. Lalagyan ko siya ng tubig. Ang ganda ng kulay, di ba? Pink. So, huwag kayong magtaka kung ano to. May nagtanong kasi kung ano daw yung iniinom ko, bakit pink? Literally, ano lang talaga siya, tubig. Wala siyang lasa kasi sobrang, yung amount na nilagay ko, hindi siya enough para mag-sweet yung liquid, yung water. May konting flavor lang yung water. Anyway, mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. So, maraming salamat sa panonood and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!